people are always asking us, how do you tell the difference between a bat dropping and a rat dropping and a mouse dropping? It's really, really simple, and I'll show you right now. So I know these are bat droppings because I've seen the bat, and that's why we'll be in and out on this job, because if you've got bats, you don't want to be anywhere near them. You see the droppings, they've almost got like a iridescence in them as well. Can you see that? Is that picking that up at all? Like almost like little iridescent flecks in them, look.
Move the flashlight because it's
See if it picks it up a bit better with that. You can see there's a little tiny flecks shining back at it, but when we go on it with either a finger in a glove or with something like this, like the edge of a pen, see how they crumble up? Now if that was a mouse or a rat dropping, it would be hard, and when you break it up, hopefully the camera picks this up, you can see there's all little flecks in there. In fact, there's some wings, look. Because basically all that the bats poo out is the wing casings and the outsides of the insects, which is all iridescent and shiny. If you think about moths' wings and things like that, you can just about make it out all glistening. And that one's got loads of glistening bits in that one.
The camera's not doing it justice.
They never do. Thank you, iPhone, for our expensive thing. So you can see this is quite a big bat, and it's about the same size as a mouse dropping. But you can see these little wing cases here, look, and stuff. And that is how you tell the difference between a mouse dropping and a bat dropping.
And how should a mouse dropping look?
Well, it'd be hard. It would have, on each end as well, it would have like little pinch-off points where it's come out of the mouse's bum, basically, or the rat's bum. Whereas with a bat, they tend to be more of an irregular shape. So they're more irregular shaped, and they don't have like a pinched off bit at the end where it's come out of its rectum. That's a nice word to say on camera.
And they're a lot harder, aren't they?
Yeah, but mouse droppings are really hard, really hard. There's very little moisture in them. But this is just literally the outsides of insects' bodies, basically, which is all iridescent, and that's what you can see in there. Hope you've enjoyed that. You might want to watch this video or this video, and why not have a little subscribe, eh? It's amazing. I think it roosts up here sometimes. But like I say, when you've got bats, we ain't doing no pest control for you, because bats are a very highly protected species in the UK.